Process for that. I want to tell you about a Dyson that I have coming up in just a second. You know, it's incredible to think about the technology that Dyson brings to us here at HSN. When it comes to that cyclonic technology that picks everything up off your floor in the single pass, that ball that allows you to pivot and swerve and not break your back to clean your floor. There's so many reasons why we love Dyson. And you have an incredible value on the DC65 today. This is normally a $500 vacuum. For today, for our holiday weekend celebration, you are saving a full $130 off of this complete cleaning system. You get all of the tools that you need to clean your entire house from top to bottom. Not $499.95, $369.95. Your shipping and handling is free, so that is another, let's see, $18 savings. And you've got 5 flexible payments of $73.99. So I mentioned it's everything that you need in this customer pick coming home to clean your entire home. So you're getting the Dyson DC65 Animal Upright, and then all of the attachments. So you are going to clean your blinds, you're going to clean your upholstery, you're going to be able to grab all of the you know, the little pieces off your Christmas tree that fall around your house every single day so easily. So here's everything that you are getting. Again, $130 off. It's the biggest price break we've ever done on the DC65. You get the vacuum, you get the combination crevice tool, you get the stair tool, you get the tangle-free turbine tool as well, all coming along in your purchase. You also get the carbon fiber soft dusting brush, the operating manual, and the quick start guide, which makes it so easy to get this home and start cleaning right away. Crystal Candy, it is a mess in here.
It's a mess.
We need to clean this up.
That's what I'm here for, to clean it all up.
Nice to see you.
You too, and it's exciting to be able to offer you the DC65 Animal because this was at Dyson our #1 best-selling upright for 2 years in a row, and it's a very good reason. Because this has the strongest suction at the cleaner head of any other vacuum tested by Dyson. I'm gonna say that one more time. The strongest suction at the cleaner head of any other vacuum tested by Dyson. So when we talk about the levels of Dyson, there's good, better, best.
Yeah.
This is amazing suction when it comes to a vacuum. I want you to notice right down here that I'm starting with an empty bin. The reason why is what I want you to see what twice the suction at the cleaner head means for you. So you'll see here this robust cleaner head with its own motor. But look at this carpet. Does this look like your carpet at home? This carpet looks absolutely clean.
Looks good to me, yeah.
But it is the dirt that we can't see, that we don't want there, that we didn't even know was there, that you're gonna be able to pull out of your carpet. So I'm gonna just take a couple of quick passes. This is 3 passes and maybe about 2 seconds, because I really want you to understand the power that you're gonna get with this. So check out what you'll be able and what I was able to pull out of that carpet. Look at that in a matter of seconds.
And it looks clean.
This represents all of the dust, right? All of the sand, all the dirt that's hiding deep in the fibers of your carpet that you will now be able to pull out because you have Dyson's #1 best-selling upright in the DC65 Animal. And yeah, it's an Animal, and you can see it is our full-size upright with one of the largest bins we offer at over a ½ gallon.
Yep.
And one of the longest cords. I know you like to have a long cord out there, ladies. 35 feet.
Yeah, so you don't have to stop and keep plugging it in each
And I love a long cord. It really does make cleaning, you know, you can actually cover several rooms.
Exactly.
So I just did one quick pull of the wand. You can take that off. I want you to see how great this is when it comes to vacuuming up pet hair, because remember, this is an animal. I'm gonna use the mattress tool right here, which has a nice wide nozzle. I'm gonna click it right into my hose right here. So now I'm gonna go over here and attack the pet hair, because around the holidays, gosh, at different times of the year, our pets start to shed, don't they? And I know you have a pet, Carrie.
I have 2 of them, yes.
It's not just the pet hair, right? It's all of the little crumbs that come along with having a pet.
Look at that suction. It's pulling the fibers up. That's getting all of that dust and things that make us sneeze out of the fibers of our couch.
Yep, and I think if your dog is like my dog, she likes to
Wow.
Jump up on that favorite chair, right? And kinda, it's not just the pet hair we have to worry about. It's whatever your pets track in when it comes to the dander, when it comes to the dirt, and they sit on that favorite chair in the living room. Because pets are a part of our family, but that's why you need the DC65 animal.
Exactly. You're getting that power, and you're getting the best value that you will find anywhere. $130 off. That is our Black Friday special. This is still the Black Friday price carried over to today. So $130 off. And then when you take off almost another $20, roughly $18 on shipping and handling, that is a huge markdown. That's $148 that you're keeping in your pocket today. You get to break that up over 5 flexible payments of $73.99. And you have until January 31st to love it. That means with all of your holiday cooking, all of the get-togethers with family, all of the Christmas tree, you know, ornaments and things falling all over the floor, you're gonna love how easy it is to clean them up when you have the power of Dyson in your home. And if you don't, you have until January 31st to return your purchase. So it's worry-free shopping, but again, the best value that we have done on this customer pick.
And that's the thing too. It's not just a customer pick here at HSN. This was Dyson's #1 bestseller in the United States for 2 years in a row. And it's also about the maneuverability. So here I am on a hard floor surface. I'm gonna turn my brush bar off. There's a button right up by the power button, so I don't have to bend over and make any adjustments. Now I have the ability to get my hard floors clean. Look at this. These are fine potato flakes, and they are not going anywhere.
They're not blowing around everywhere.
Yeah, I'm able to get every single last crumb. And look, I can get up nice and close to my furniture because I have that ball technology to be able to roll across all of my different surfaces. And as we go from carpet, I'm gonna turn that brush bar back on, and now I can attack dark dirt on a light colored carpet, which I think for a lot of us would be so scary. We wanna get that dirt off because we wanna prolong the life of our carpet. And you can see how you do that with a vacuum like this that has so much power.
Well, and we know that we're supposed to be taking care of our floors and taking care of our carpets, and that the dirt that's down in the fibers is breaking up the fibers. Absolutely. And we think with our vacuum we're getting it out, but it was so impactful when you see how powerful the Dyson is, that it gets down into the carpet and gets the dirt that we don't see and maybe that we smell. Do you ever vacuum your house and you're like, why does my house still not smell very fresh?
I remember. Well, it's because if you think about it with old bags, you know, you're actually you're putting dirt in a bag and you're taking it around your home from room to room. This is certified asthma and allergy friendly, so the air that comes out of the vacuum is cleaner air. And those 2 filters that come with it, lifetime filters you never have to pay to replace, really do make a difference in terms of the air that comes out of the vacuum. We're gonna tackle coffee on linoleum. Again, turning off that brush bar, and boy, you can see how powerful of a vacuum the DC65 is. If you get in nice and close, you'll notice the suction power, how it's different, because remember, the reason why so many people across the country chose the DC65 is because you have the strongest suction at the cleaner head of any vacuum tested by Dyson. I'm gonna turn that brush bar back on, and you can see how you can get into tight spots because all I do to get under that little toe kick in my kitchen is lean that vacuum to the side, and I can get the dirt that's hiding in those tough spots.
I love watching you vacuum with the Dyson. We're so used to back and forth and back and forth, and it, you know, it hurts your back to try to drag it over. You're using one hand and just maneuvering so easy. So that's you getting around the dining room table, the legs of the chairs. It's so easy.
It's so easy, and it is such a different way to clean, Carrie, and I invite you, if you've never tried any Dyson products, there's nothing like a Dyson ball, and there's absolutely nothing like a Dyson animal when it comes to the power and the versatility on all of your surfaces. And this is a full-size vacuum. I know a lot of you wait for that full-size unit, you know, year-round. And to have the best deal on the #1 best-selling Dyson for those 2 years is a really great opportunity to try the best of the best.
Exactly. Is it wrong that I'm seated while you're vacuuming?
Not at all.
I feel like I'm watching you work.
You are so comfortable.
That is, thank you. There is such peace of mind in that, to know that you are getting the best-selling Dyson for 2 years. You're getting that home at the best value that we've ever done. Not only is it $130 off, if you take into account the $18 that we're saving on your shipping and handling, that's $148 that you're keeping in your pocket today, and you're trying this out for 2 months. I think all of us that don't have a Dyson, of course we dream of having it. We have to vacuum, we have to clean the floors, we have to dust. It's something we all have to do. If we're doing it with an older, lesser vacuum, we know that we're going back and forth over the areas a million times trying to get that area clean. Dyson just changes the game, and this is the most affordable way for you to get it home. Only $73.99. And don't forget, this is a whole house cleaning system, so you're not just gonna clean your floors, you're gonna take this up and down, you know, the baseboards, the windows, clean your entire house. Your ceiling fan.
There's really a lot of benefits to having a full-size upright.
Yeah.
And one of them is that you have that longer cord, like I mentioned, at over 35 feet. And you also have a longer hose. So with the hose and the wand combined, you have about 16 feet of reach.
So good.
Not to mention that 35-foot power cord. So think of the area you can cover. I've gone ahead and put my combination tool on the end right here of the wand, because I just want you to think about your baseboards. I want you to think about your crown moldings, the difficult spots in your home that you can now reach with this, because you have all of those different extension tools to be able to get in those tight spots. I go up high, and then, gosh, you're gonna look around your home and you're gonna look at the air vent and go, that's dusty.
Yeah.
And then you'll look down at the crown molding. Goodness, look at the bookshelves. All those are, you can get that clean with the power of the Dyson suction.
Exactly, and you're not buying those little dusters that are disposable that you use just one time. You're gonna use your Dyson to do that, which again, it makes it a whole house cleaning system.
Yes, and then the Animal, remember, is so great and effective on pet hair. So we showed you up high cleaning. We'll show you this chair again, because I really think for a lot of you out there who have animals, we know it's a tough job.
Right.
In fact, James Dyson himself at one point had 8 dogs. I think he had, what are the yellow? Oh, geez.
Labs?
Labs, I guess.
Yeah.
Was it a lab?
Golden Retriever?
No, Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever, okay.
Yellow, golden, sorry.
Same thing, same.
But, I mean, listen, we all understand how difficult it is to clean up after a pet. When you have the suction like this, to be able to get just the pet hair and to get that deep down clean, it really is gonna make your life a lot easier as a pet owner. And then taking this around the dog bowl to get all the little crumbs. This is that mattress tool that you're getting with this. And then I'll put the vacuum back together. And you can see how easily you're gonna be able also to navigate around your furniture, because of that ball technology just gliding along.
Yeah, you're not breaking your back anymore. It's so good. And it only weighs about 17 pounds, so.
Yeah, so for that power in an upright vacuum,
absolutely.
You know, it's that low center of gravity. So it does roll along the floor, and 17 pounds when you're rolling it close to the floor like that really is a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty back here. You are getting over a half-gallon bin, which is really nice, especially if you have pets.
Yeah.
All of that dog hair, that cat hair, that fur, the tumbleweeds that are blowing through the dining room. So one touch of the button releases the bin from the vacuum, and I'm just gonna push a button at the top, and the bottom opens up back here, and there goes all of that pet hair.
So no
I want you to
bags.
notice I'm starting with an empty bin, because I'm gonna show you again the hidden dirt. The dirt that we can't see, that we don't want there, but that you vacuum with your old vacuum, and then you put the Dyson to the test. Just like you said, you have almost 2 months to be able to use this in your home, to be able to use it to vacuum floors that you and I think is clean. But what is the difference? What is that deep down difference when we talk about twice the suction at the cleaner head of any vacuum tested by Dyson in a matter of seconds? What can you pull out of your carpet? How clean is our carpet? What are we really laying on or stepping on?
Exactly.
And this, Carrie, is what, oh goodness, this is what we don't
and
want
you don't
in
even
our
know
carpet.
that's there. Yeah, that's breaking down your carpet fibers. You can smell that maybe in the room, even after you vacuum. It's just such a big difference to not only be able to clean your floor like that, but I love that you get all of the attachments here, because think about your mattress. Think about being able to vacuum all of the dust and everything that we're breathing in out of our mattress, out of our rugs, out, you know, everything around our home to freshen up our home, but do it with incredible Animal Power, the #1 selling Dyson for 2 years at the best value anywhere. This is a $500 Dyson. We're taking $140 off today and still shipping it to you free of charge. And plus you've got those 5 flexible payments, so it's $74. You get it home right away. You try it out. If you have somebody on your holiday gift list who's been dreaming of a Dyson, if they're using that old vacuum that you know is not protecting their floors, cleaning their floors deep down, and you're a practical gift giver like myself. Are you a practical gift giver?
Of course, and I think we all wait for that bargain, right? We bargain shop. We know we want to get a full-size Dyson. We know we want the Animal, but we want the best price. And to be able to get a vacuum that, quite frankly, 2 years ago, we were selling out here at HSN for $600. You know, you've heard a lot about the DC65. So this is a tried and true vacuum that gives you that powerful suction in a full-size upright with the largest bend, the longest cord, the longest toes. It's like, check all of the boxes, and this one has
and
everything.
that lowest price ever, free shipping. I mean, there's so many boxes that you're checking, but we want you to see it's the push of one button to go from your hard floors to your carpet. And notice it's single pass. You pick up every little piece of debris. It's not scooting it around the room, creating more work for you.
Right, and I think that's why we do something like potato flakes, because this could really show a lot of errors, right? When it comes to what's wrong with other vacuums out there. And maybe you've never even used your vacuum on your hard floor because you knew that was gonna happen. I push the brush bar back on, and when you turn that brush bar back on your carpet, it's almost like a self-propelled motion that brings that vacuum forward because you have a separate motor in the brush bar to power just the brush bar. So think about that. You have 2 different motors at work for you to really give you that deep down clean in a vacuum that does give you that ease of use. You know, if you can turn a doorknob here, you can turn the entire direction of the machine. This is a vacuum that rides on a ball chassis. This is a vacuum that has been engineered to be easier for you to use. And that's why we love the DC65. It's engineering at its best, just to work smarter in your home.
Absolutely.
To make everything easier.
To make vacuuming easier, it's something that we all have to do. This is, for 2 years, I'll say it again before we wrap, 2 years in a row, the #1 selling Dyson that you are getting at the lowest price anywhere. It's a customer pick on hsn.com, so definitely check out the reviews. This will be after our extended, essentially Black